Hi, I'm Ron from Panton Welding. I'm the manager owner here. We've ran this business since 1972, predominantly building small trailers up to 4.5 tonne. We have now advanced and we build trailers over 4.5 tonne up to 35 tonne, predominantly using Australian-made equipment where we can. We currently run around 15 employees. We run a full-time engineer, 2 office staff, numerous welders, painters, assemblers. We predominantly sourced all our axles from a rather large family-owned business that was building trailer axles for approximately 50 years. They sold out to a multinational company. The personal service disappeared. The short time frames all disappeared. In the meantime, we found Trailparts that set up in Australia. So that was very good because it's an Australian-made, locally sourced product that they could complete quality axles, custom made in a short time frame. So that's why we changed to Trailparts. The thing that we like most about dealing with Trailparts is the wide variety of axles and componentry that they make. The fact that they can customise products quickly, they deliver on time, and availability of parts when you need them. In regards to the new trends happening in the transport industry and road-going vehicles, the Department of Transport and Infrastructure have introduced a CTA number for all components to be fitted to road-going trailers, caravans, boat trailers. One of the advantages working with Trailparts, they are leading towards the approval of all those various components. From our first dealings with Trailparts, when Roddy walked in the door to sell a brake controller, we've then moved forwards in what we actually buy from them, and it is an ongoing thing that we learn with what they actually have and can do for us. Would I recommend Trailparts to other manufacturers and users? Yes, I would. They're a fantastic product, locally sourced. I already have recommended them to other trailer manufacturers.